My name is Andrew Butkowski. I go to Iowa State University, and my focus here is supporting continuation engineering requests as a continuation engineering intern.
My name is Nick Novak. I go to school at St. Cloud State University. I'm currently with the manufacturing engineering department.
I'm Braden Weekly. I go to North Dakota State University, and then I'm within the manufacturing department.
So I'm Grant Clark. I go to the University of St. Thomas, and this summer I'm a finance intern working with our finance team.
I'm Tyler Clausen. I am going to St. Cloud State University, and I mainly work on the continuation engineering requests and doing SOE order processing.
My name is Max Lesh. I go to University of Minnesota Duluth. I'm a product management intern here.
My name is Jay Thayer. I'm attending the University of Minnesota Duluth for mechanical engineering, and here at DeZURIK I help the product development team with testing fixtures and new design and some analysis on the SolidWorks.
My name is Jaden Williamson. I go to Colorado School of Mines, and here I'm working with the research and development department running CFD and FEA simulations.
My name's Kyle. I'm going to the St. Cloud Technical and Community College for drafting and design. I'm working in the SOE department, and currently I'm just drafting and translating drawings.
Favorite valve, well, I've been spending a lot of time with the VPV, so I'd say that one's probably my favorite also. I think it looks really nice.
My favorite valve is, I think, the metal-seated ball valve, the Willamette metal-seated ball valve. It's a beefy valve. It's got a lot of exposed fasteners on it, so it looks pretty good, especially with stainless fasteners. And I've done some projects with it and enjoyed working on it.
I like that I've been able to work on a whole bunch of different things. Like I haven't just been on SolidWorks, I've been able to get down into the lab or working on Excel using math equations to figure out certain aspects of how a valve performs differently than others.
This summer I've got to work on a few really cool projects, so it's been fun to really dive into some difficult projects, and I've been able to learn a lot with those.
I've gotten to learn so much through simulations or just working with my boss, but otherwise all the people here are just so nice, and it's been welcoming to come in.
I think just all the different processes I've been exposed to, and then everybody here is great to work with and super helpful.
Just learning how to kind of interact with coworkers, as well as, getting the new technical skills that you learn just from working in a professional setting like this.
All the people here have just been really friendly. The schedule is really nice. I can, work it around my life, and I don't know, it's fun. It's a great place to work.
I don't know, I'd love to have like a manufacturing engineering position of some kind, be able to work with CNC machines and do some fixturing and tooling and stuff like that. It would be an enjoyable and rewarding thing, I think, to be able to figure out how to make something effectively.
Thank you to DeZURIK for everything. It's been a great summer so far. It's my first internship, so it's been really good to learn. You both doing stuff on the computer and hands-on.
Thank you to DeZURIK for the opportunity to intern here.
Okay. Thank you, DeZURIK, for this opportunity. I really appreciate it. It's been fun.
Thanks to DeZURIK for the internship this summer. It's been a great opportunity.
Thank you to DeZURIK for the internship and the opportunity that I've been given.
Yeah, thank you guys for giving me this opportunity. I really enjoy it.
Thank you to DeZURIK. I've really appreciated my opportunity to work here and had a great summer so far.
Thank you, DeZURIK, for the opportunity this summer. I've really enjoyed my time here.
Thank you, DeZURIK, for the time and the opportunity for me to be here. It's been a great time, and I can look forward to continuing to work here.